Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about prayer, namaz or salah. I'm not going to say that you have to pray 5 times because this is between you and God. And as a human being, I have no right to interfere in your matters.
علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان.
When I was growing up, I was always thinking about what is the purpose of prayer? Why as a Muslim we pray? And whenever I was asking this question to my parents or anyone else or imam at the mosque, and I was being given the answer that we pray because namaz or prayer stop you for doing bad stuff and stop you to getting into bad habits. But when I was looking around myself and I was saying that people who are praying 5 times, it's not changing their life. They are still in everyday life. They are doing the stuff which they should not be doing, and which was bothering me a lot. And I was thinking that what is missing? And I was in pursuit and search for it, that what is the real meaning of namaz. And when I came abroad as well, and my non-Muslim friends, they were asking me as well that why Muslim pray 5 times, and I was giving them typical answer, but that was not very convincing as well. I was in the pursuit of it. I'm very grateful to Almighty Allah that Allah helps me to find out the real answer. So what is the real purpose of praying 5 times? God wants us to learn 5 lessons from prayer. Number 1.
The azan is the Islamic call to prayer, the salah prayer.
All the prayers have its own timing, like Fajr has its own timing in the morning, then Zohar, then Asr, and the Maghrib in the evening, and then Isha. Always prayer happen on time. It means that God wants us to learn time management, that we have to have a time management in everyday life. Not only on prayer time and in our everyday life as well. It does not only mean that you go to prayer on time or you go to school or you go to office on time. It also means that when we commit something with anyone, we have to deliver it in time. Second thing, before we start our prayer, we do wuzu. Wuzu where we clean ourselves.
Like all Muslims, before he prays or touches the Muslim holy book, the Quran, he makes sure he's clean. This is the washing ritual, wudu.
So first you turn on the tap and you wash your right hand 3 times up to the wrist, and then your left 3 times up to the wrist. You then gurgle some water in your mouth.
So it's very simple. God wants us to learn about cleaning, that we have to clean ourselves. Cleaning is half of our religion. That cleaning is very important in Islam. Cleaning does not only mean that we are only doing wuzu. Cleaning is also mean not only clean yourself, clean your home, clean your street, clean your city, and clean your country as well. And most of all, you need to clean yourself from inside, which means that whoever you deal with, you should not be hypocrite about it. Whatever you have from inside, you have to be same from outside as well. Number 3. Whenever we stand for the prayer, we stand in one line. Does not mean whoever standing next to. Either it could be a white, black, or rich or poor. That does not matter. Which means that God wants us to learn about the discipline, and God wants us to learn that we should not discriminate to anyone. In front of God, everyone is equal. As God said in the Quran as well, either you are black or you're white, you're Arabic or you're not Arabic. In front of Him, everyone is equal. The only thing which makes you stand above other person is your deeds. Apart from that, everyone is equal in front of God. So it means that God wants us to learn this lesson, that there has to be discipline in our life and should not discriminate anyone. 4th lesson.
Allah. Allahu Akbar.
When we bow down and we go to the floor as well, which we call sajda, which means God wants us to learn that there has to be humbleness in our life, that we have to be humbled. There should not be any ego in ourselves, and we have to have patience in our life. It's not only when we are praying, outside the prayer as well, when we do our everyday stuff, we have to be very humble. There should not be any ego whatsoever. Finally, 5th element or 5th lesson. Like any other element in our life, for example, take an example of sports, education, or anything. it is human nature that once you work hard for something, you're looking for a reward. You need reward. For example, if in sports you work hard, you reach to the final and you win the final, you get the World Cup. At the same time, you work hard in education, and at the end you get the degree. You expect that you're going to get a good job. On the other hand, when you have any business, you work hard for your business, you're looking for a good profit. At the same time, and there's no one but Allah who can give us the biggest reward. And biggest reward is in the shape of dua. When we raise our hand to God and ask that please forgive us, and if you have any problem, we ask us, God, that I am in this trouble, please help me to get through this difficult time. God, I need this thing to be done, please help me, so please grant me this. So whatever we're asking for, even your exam, you are going through a very difficult time in your business, in your education, whatever, the dua is the reward, and God loves to reward us. And you have to understand that these are the 5 elements of prayer. This is the 5 lessons God wants us to learn from prayer, which is very simple. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video. If you have any feedback for myself, please leave me a feedback. Thank you very much.